alright, you know. When he invite Bubbles up at the house. Just when he go up in carry the house now, him well I take off shirt. Bubbles just say, even when him go in the bathroom, take off fresh. Bubbles gone on her phone and messing with something's up at the wall like a killer. Up on the phone. Come upstairs now. See him in there. Him frightened for see me. I look on the bed now. I see one person on the phone. Bubbles one, you know, but him don't know, say me know. I ask him who for person phone this. Him say I'm cousin one. Right away, Bubbles come in and say, oh, right, this is your cousin. So me look on him, sir. Mr. Reds, you really tell this woman say me your cousin? Red say, yeah. Then Bubbles go ask him if I'm me I'm cousin. And if I look on him, so Reds, Bubbles say, I am not gonna stay in the middle of this. She take up her things and gone. She hasn't gone. Look on him, so. You now work, and me I put food on the table and them something there. So him tell me in my face say, I forgot to offer us. He might tell me say I feed us. So okay. Just run go pack up my things. I go in my jar to take out the rest of my clothes them. Just feel one angry promise. I say 5. You see what I'm the next 5? I go so poop. I go so whoop and empty my jar then I'm chest plate. Start feeding with some punch. Just after that, I saw me a jar and go down the stairs. He might talk about Tony and him can't take no more. I just throw him up and throw him in the bed, lick up him side right there so. As him do that now, Bubbles when I feel sexy just in a phone video in. I ask Bubbles, boy, help me now, Bubbles, help me now. Bubbles just have the phone, so don't worry yourself. Let me get one close up. I just take him up again and throw him out the door and empty one next jar and I'm chest again.
So Bubbles dress up and go look Reds.
Yeah, her legs are show. She will have matter look, matter go to the bar, you know. Reds eye look round so. She tell me what go on, you know. Or him eyes will come up and
Tonian!
Oh, alright, but we beat him up. I feel good to say. I want to give him a third jar than my chest.
Yeah, but I'm still stuck at the part when Bubbles dress up and go look Reds. I may never have a plan. You never tell me how the scenario go.
Yeah, but 5, me never ever go take that chance there. Because you're pretty.
Hey.
Come here. I love them so you chat too much. Tony and I know something. So your mouth too. Rest your mouth too. 5, me never know. That's the main reason why I never even call you in. Because I don't want you to get hurt. If you put a little battery there and want to look nice, they think say I shall only want to be the one give one ass too. Tony, go show me where you do, yeah?
Alright, this is a window. If grab me right here, so go so poof! Bomba! Right now in chest. And the next thing, I go so. That will be show me, you know.
So when by the way that fist when you not black it in there no.
Take the whole light in my chest plate.
And that thing me could do. That some could do. What are the boy in face so? And give one of them for. Hey, me nah lie. But talk truth. You know me and Tony and I beat him good enough. Let's go so. Wait a second. Back it. Yeah.